Maya is there, therefore Krishna says the Maya is very strong. But if you capture Krishna very more strongly, then Maya cannot do anything. If something is opposing your chanting, then you will have to chant more loudly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So you defeat Maya. The medicine is the same. At least I do so. When I am in some danger, I chant Hare Krishna loudly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. That's all. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, there is song, Jai Sakal Bipad, Gai Bhakti Vinod, Jahan Ami Onam Gai. He said, as soon as I chant this Hare Krishna, I become immediately free from all danger.